Let's have a look at some of the financial reports. So this is under the reports menu option. Let's start with our income and expenditure report. So here we can do it for a particular period. So we could do it for a month, a quarter to, year to, or a particular date range. So let's just select month, and we select the month that we want to run the report for. So I'm going to do all reserves consolidated because I want all figures for everything. I could change the title of the report if I wanted to. I can choose to show the account codes on the report, and my negative values are in brackets. And I'm going to exclude some zero values because I'm not interested in those, and I want some unrounded numbers. You can change these options if you want to. So I'm going to include everything. So I'm going to include all my expenditure and income and transfer codes. So I just click on preview. And here's my report. So it shows you a list of all your income codes, all your expenditure codes, and your total surplus deficit. So this is my turnover for the month, and then my year to date as well. So we've got our receipts and payments balances report. So I can choose for a particular account code or range of account codes. I'm going to choose any value because I want all my receipt and payment codes. Now again, we can choose our date range or a particular month. So let's choose a date range this time. So I can use a calendar box to select the date, or I can type it in. And I'm going to leave the reserve box blank because I want all reserves. Again, this hasn't got an asterisk next to it, so it's not mandatory, but I would need to fill in the account code and the date range. So let's preview that one. So you can see on this one, this has given me all my receipt and payment codes, and then the values and the totals here, and then the total at the bottom. So we'll look at the reconciliation statement. So I'm going to do the month. If I choose this month, that's going to choose the month that we're currently in. Again, reserve here, I'm going to leave it as all consolidated. If I wanted to do it for a particular reserve, just click the down arrow and select it from the list. Everything's automatically included. If I didn't want to include a particular account, I'll just untick the include box. And let's preview that one. So this one here, you can see my money accounts. So this is a bank account, deposit and petty cash, and then a total at the bottom. Transactions list. So if you want to print out a list of transactions for a particular account or range of accounts, then this is the one we want to use. So account at the top here, click the down arrow, and we can either choose any value, which is all accounts. You can do between, so it's a range of account codes between the first and the last. You can choose equals, which would be a particular account, or there's some other options here as well. You can take a look at the user manual for some more detailed explanation of the different options. So if I choose equals, so I'm going to look at my bank account, and then I'm going to choose a date range or a month. So let's choose a month, and this time I'm going to choose a particular reserve. Actually, for this one, let's choose date and any value, so it gives me all dates. So it'll be everything entered against the bank account for my roof reserve. So let's preview that one. So here's our report. So it tells you the account code and then all the transactions. So there's my 2 transactions for my roof reserve. And then we've got a cash movement report. So let's do it for, again, this will give you the different account codes. So let's say we're looking at our deposit account this time. and we'll select a particular month. I'll leave the reserves blank so it gives you everything, and then preview that one. So this one shows me our deposit account and then the entries within that account, and the opening balance and the closing balance. With all the reports, you can either preview them or you can print them. When you click on preview, you can also export it out to a PDF or any other different file type. If you have a look at the exporting reports video, that'll give you some more information on that.